When it comes to replacing windows in Dallas, selecting the right material can significantly impact the comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your home. With the city's fluctuating weather, blazing summers, occasional storms, and mild winters, choosing windows tailored to these conditions is essential. 3 popular window materials are vinyl, wood, and aluminum. Each has its strengths and challenges, so understanding these will help you make an informed decision. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are a favorite among Dallas homeowners for their affordability, durability, and low-maintenance nature. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl windows are engineered to resist warping, rotting, and fading, making them ideal for the city's hot and humid climate. Benefits. Energy efficiency. Vinyl windows excel at insulating your home, keeping heat out during scorching summers and retaining warmth in cooler months. Many models are ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring they reduce energy costs. Affordability. They are often the most cost-effective option for homeowners, offering great value without compromising quality. Low maintenance. Vinyl doesn't require painting or staining and is easy to clean, resisting scratches and discoloration over time. Considerations. Limited aesthetic options. While vinyl windows come in various colors and finishes, they lack the natural charm and texture of wood. Repairs. Significant damage may require a full window replacement since repairs can be challenging. Vinyl is perfect for budget-conscious homeowners looking for a durable, energy-efficient solution with minimal upkeep. Wood windows. Wood windows offer timeless beauty and a natural aesthetic that complements traditional and modern homes alike. Their luxurious appearance makes them a popular choice for upscale properties in Dallas neighborhoods. Benefits. Aesthetic appeal. Wood provides unmatched elegance and can be customized with paints and stains to match your home's style. Excellent insulation. Wood windows are outstanding insulators, reducing heat transfer and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Longevity. With proper care, wood windows can last for decades, making them a worthwhile investment for many homeowners. Considerations. Maintenance requirements. Wood requires regular upkeep, including painting, staining, and sealing, to prevent rot, warping, and insect damage. Cost. Wood windows are typically the most expensive option, reflecting their premium quality and craftsmanship. Weather sensitivity. In Dallas's humid and storm-prone climate, untreated or poorly maintained wood may deteriorate faster. Wood is an excellent choice for homeowners who prioritize aesthetics and are willing to invest in maintenance for long-term beauty and performance. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are prized for their modern appearance, strength, and durability. These windows are a great option for Dallas properties with contemporary architectural styles. Benefits. Durability. Aluminum resists warping, rust, and weather-related damage, making it suitable for Dallas's occasional severe storms. Sleek design. Its slim profiles allow for larger panes of glass, maximizing natural light and providing an unobstructed view. Low maintenance. Aluminum windows require minimal upkeep and retain their appearance over time. Considerations. Thermal conductivity. Aluminum conducts heat more than other materials, making it less energy efficient. However, thermal breaks and energy-efficient coatings can mitigate this issue. Cost. Aluminum windows fall in the mid to high price range, depending on customization and features. Condensation. Without proper insulation, aluminum frames may lead to condensation, which could cause mold or mildew over time. Aluminum is ideal for homeowners seeking a sleek, modern aesthetic with robust durability. Which material is right for you? The best window material depends on your priorities and budget. For energy efficiency and low maintenance, vinyl windows are the top choice, offering excellent insulation at a wallet-friendly price. For timeless elegance and customization, wood windows are unbeatable for their beauty and adaptability, provided you're ready to invest in maintenance. For modern aesthetics and durability, aluminum windows offer strength and contemporary design, though energy efficiency may require additional investment. Dallas-specific consideration. Weather resistance. The city's mix of hot summers and sudden storms demands durable materials like vinyl or aluminum. Wood, while beautiful, must be meticulously maintained. Energy efficiency. With high energy costs in Texas, investing in energy-efficient windows is crucial. Look for materials with excellent insulation or coatings designed for thermal resistance. Aesthetic preferences. The architecture in Dallas varies, so your choice may also depend on how the material complements your home's design. Conclusion. Replacing windows is a significant investment, and the choice of material plays a crucial role in the outcome. Vinyl, wood, and aluminum each offer distinct advantages tailored to different needs. By assessing your priorities, be it cost, aesthetics, or durability, you can select a material that enhances your home's comfort, value, and style for years to come. Consider consulting a local Dallas window replacement expert to help guide your decision and ensure your home is equipped for the city's unique climate.